To set up Phantom Wallet login, start by going to the Phantom Wallet website and clicking on the download button to install the browser extension. Once installed, click on the Phantom Wallet icon in your browser toolbar and select Create a new wallet. You will be asked to create a password. Make sure it is strong and unique. After setting up your password, you will be given a secret recovery phrase. Write it down and store it in a safe place, as it is the only way to recover your wallet if you lose access. Next, you will be asked to verify your secret recovery phrase. Type it in exactly as it was given to you. This step is crucial to ensure the security of your wallet. After verifying your secret recovery phrase, your Phantom Wallet will be set up and ready to use. You can now use it to send, receive, and store Solana and other Solana-based tokens. To log into your Phantom Wallet, simply click on the Phantom Wallet icon in your browser toolbar. Enter your password, and you will be logged in. It is essential to keep your secret recovery phrase and password safe, as losing them can result in losing access to your wallet and funds. Always use a strong and unique password, and never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone. By following these steps, you can securely set up and log in to your Phantom Wallet, and start exploring the Solana ecosystem. Remember to always prioritize the security of your wallet and funds, and never hesitate to reach out to the Phantom Wallet support team if you have any questions or concerns.